Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to use a promo code on Stockx. So the first thing is to go to the product page that you would like to buy. I'm gonna go with Nike Air Force 1 Low 07 White and I'm gonna click on it. This will take me eventually to this product page where I can choose the color, the size and basically click on buy now. So there is two ways of actually having promo code. I mean, it's not literally a promo code, but yeah, you can make it, you can call it a promo code, which is making an offer. You can actually negotiate instead of putting a promo code. It is literally, I mean, you can reduce the price somehow. In case the actual buyer or the seller accepts it, you can literally just make an offer and ask for less price. But what if you do have a promo code and you want to write it down? Then simply choose to buy it now. So click on this button, and from here on this page, as you will be seeing, you will have the actual option to write down the promo code that you have, or the coupon code. So here we simply have to wait for this page to load. Here is the size, here is the item price, this is like the color, etc. And here we are going to get it. So what you have to do is to go here to discount code, as you can see right here, click on add button right here. It's very easy and simple to find. So once you click on add, you will have like a place where you can literally click on it. Let me just click and literally like this, and you can write down whatever thing like coupon code, and yeah, you can just click on apply in case it was working. You will have like a reduction added. If this coupon code is invalid, let me just try to do this. I mean, I don't have a coupon code for it, but in case you had it, you simply have to write it down and it should be working. And yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video, guys. This is how you can use a promo code or discount code in StockX. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave us a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment. That was it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching.